What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm actually going to be heading on over to Sanford Infinity. Going to get my turbos checked. I haven't really been having issues where I'm thinking there's an issue, but I just had a few homies who had theirs replaced because they actually had issues. They didn't even realize it. One of them, he knew he had an issue, but another one, he didn't even know. He had it checked in. Apparently, they were just starting to go out, so better safe than sorry. So what I'm gonna do is head on over to Sanford Infinity while I still have my warranty and have them take a look and see how we're looking. But yeah, let's go ahead and do the cold start and head that way. Just pulled in. Let's take a look. Homie gonna take. I mean, I was about to say your name, but you said it, so hey, we good. Alright, so figure come take a look at some cars while mine is in service. And I like how that's blacked out in the front. It's pretty dope. But yeah, nothing crazy exciting in here. I'll check out that queue in a second, but let's check out this. It's pretty wild that that's what my car looked like when I got it. Same color and everything. That's pretty wild. Big transformation. Swapping out the Infinity sign. They got quite a few out here. Mostly the SUVs, it looks like. Alright, so I got the car back. They washed it up for me, which is dope. And yeah, my turbos are doing great actually. So they don't need to be replaced. So probably the next time I go back for like a oil change or something. So probably the next time, well, a little bit before my warranty is up, I'll do a check again just to make sure, but I still got some time on it. I think it's a 6-year time frame for it that I got to worry about. So yeah, as long as the car has the cats, they can really do everything they need to, so won't be worried about that. But yeah, car looks a lot better when it's clean. Definitely gonna be getting some new wheels though, and I will be going 3-piece most likely. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this one. Just a quick little video. So make sure if you have anything wrong with the car or any concerns you're worried about, have them check it out while you still have your warranty, rather than wait until the last minute or until you don't have your warranty. So yeah, but let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. The comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for a comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.